So I have a special guest today. That was your cue.
It's me.
It's Vivian, my sister. You gotta come right here.
I can't scoot down my troll. Fall over.
That's good. Can you meet just me and you?
I can't go any farther than this.
My family just got here and I picked them up from the airport, and we don't need to
pick me up from the airport.
We don't need a fact check on this whole video, but anyway, and then we are now headed to Starbucks and then headed to Sedona. So I am super stoked. We probably won't get there until it's dark, but it'll be a good time. Sedona was incredible and I had so much fun hanging out with my family. This video is mainly about some van life time over the last couple weeks with family, friends, and ending with some time by myself in San Diego. So I hope that y'all enjoy it and see how much fun I had.
Peace.
Everybody dance
peace now. Every
Water break. We're not even close to done with the trail. What do y'all think of Lowell Observatory?
good.
Good? What are some
makes
other
us
words you could
so-
describe it with?
I don't know.
Say hi.
Hi. Can you give me your fingernail for a second?
What? No.
You're mean. I just trying to make it look better than you.
And then, of course, as in every one of my vlogs, there were a lot of emotions along the way on the journey. I think uprooting my entire lifestyle and choosing to live in a van has forced me to reevaluate everything around me, including the person that I am and the person I thought I was. For so long, I have let joy just like rule the emotion board and have shut everything else out to the point where now it is overflowing and needs some sense of release. So I think I'm also learning to get a little bit comfier with my shadows and not like the darkness in me, but that, which just sounds so funny, but there is some truth to letting yourself feel it, to release it and to heal it. So I'm trying to feel and heal, but nobody told me how hard it was gonna be. I just got this hat and it's making me feel very happy. Remember the van I built? Well, baby, I'm finally back in it. I'm also a little sick, but it is what it is. I did not let the person who tried to rob me destroy my lifestyle. So I'm back on the road again. Anyway, I'm headed to Joshua Tree and I hope you liked that impromptu performance. I am literally living the life of the Magic School Bus every day. I am an adult, well, not really an adult. I'm a 22-year-old Miss Frizzle. That's pretty cool. We're united and it feels so good. I know I'm jumping around a little bit with a little less explanation than usual, but here's some clips from my weekend in Joshua Tree with my best friend Daisy. We just explored the city, went hiking, and had a solid weekend in the van. So hope y'all enjoy. looking good, queen.
We gotta have a dance party. I guess with like no music.
Wow.
So we're not disturbing.
I was literally thinking, when we pulled up, I was like, it's too quiet for a dance party. That was my first thought.
Wow.
I was like,
Yeah, it's sad.
look around, Eden. Read the damn room.
Not.
Is that a military vehicle? That is literally a military jeep.
It must be like really close.
Taller than we are right now.
Daisy
Daisy.
was running over.
Like he's like starts coming our way. Wait. I was literally about to cry.
Where are the women at? Why are there so many men?
That is, I think, Joshua Tree, downtown, and the stars are crazy. Hey.
Hello.
What up? It is, oh my god, she's fine, don't worry. It's 7:25. We are headed to Starbucks. We're leaving our campsite right now, literally driving 4 miles an hour, and we're headed to go hike in Joshua Tree. How you feeling?
I feel good. I'm excited to go hiking.
First night in van life, thoughts? She's
Very
like
cramped.
terrible. 0 out of 10. Would never do that shit again.
No, it's very good. It's exciting. And it's really cute in here. But I'm having a good time. And I like seeing your living space. I'm like, wow, this is where Eden lives.
Well, feeling a lot of things, as you can tell. I am actually in San Diego, which is bananas. And I can't help but think about how much I've changed since the last time I've been here, which was about 6 months ago. And how proud I am of myself for moving through all of that. It just feels really special to be sitting here before the end of the year. And it feels really full circle. And this time, I can wholeheartedly say that I'm sitting here with so much more love for myself. I love who I am. I think I'm awesome. I laugh at my own jokes all the time in the van. And it feels really good to sit here and know that 6 months ago I probably couldn't have said the same thing. And that through all this hardship, at least one thing has been learned, is that I'm resilient and I'm strong and I love myself for it. So this just feels really special. This is what my days end up looking like a lot of the time. Just chilling, doing some work, and hanging out in my van. These are kind of the less glamorous sides of van life because I'm literally just doing what most people would call like a normal day, but in my van. So just another thing to think about if you're interested in the lifestyle, like what are the daily tasks that you go through throughout your day, and what would those look like if you just put them all in a vehicle? friends that know me, this will make sense. For those that don't, you need to go to San Diego and try this restaurant. But I just placed a to-go order at Grains, and I'm so excited I could literally pass out right now. I ate my greens and I still have my pasta left. It was just as good as I was thinking it would be. So people always ask me how I use the bathroom, so I thought I would show you my setup. I have this camping toilet. It's called Trip Tips Outdoors, and it works well, to be honest. It is something like this. Da 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 da. This is my toilet. So I'm gonna go use it because obviously I wasn't setting it up for nothing. And then I just throw the bag out in the trash because it zips up like a Ziploc bag. And it's gray, so no one can tell what's in it. When I'm too lazy, girl, I pee in a Starbucks cup. That's all I'm gonna say about that because I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Have been working at the beach all morning. Like, what? Literally, this morning, my office space was just a beachfront park. Yeah, I had to pause for effect there. I've been thinking a lot about the concept of home and comfort and finding that on the road. And I think I've come to the idea that, you know, the mundane things in my life are what bring me closer to that. Like watching Netflix on my bed, or just like sitting outside, or making a cup of coffee in the morning. And so I'm trying to remind myself that although I live a wild life on the road and have a lot of adventure, I also can't compare the level of that to what I see on like social media or YouTube, because in actuality, the normalcy and the comfort, I need that mundane. I need those things that people would like probably not want to watch in a video, you know, but that we all need that in our life to feel like we're at home. And I'm working on slowly romanticizing that. And I hope that y'all can too, because comfort comes from things being boring sometimes. And boring only happens when we're not in the present moment and really feeling what we're doing. Hi friends, so I love all the support on my videos. Thank you so much. I just looked at my most recent one and it has a ton of comments and views, and I'm just so excited, and I'm so happy that I get to share the joys and lows of van life with y'all. But also, if you're gonna comment something about the way I look, leave. Bye. Leave. I don't need you here. I don't care what you think about my makeup or the way that I look. It is not for you to judge. The things that I do are for me, baby. They're not for you. I am not worried about your opinion, so don't worry. You don't need to share it. So that's my only disclaimer. But thank y'all so much for following this journey. I literally feel so grateful that people spend, 10 minutes of their day watching something that I create and share. So I appreciate you. And then next week, drum roll please, I'm gonna film a van tour. this weekend, okay? I promise. I know I've been saying that I was gonna get a van tour out for so long. I just keep forgetting to film it. And also, I'll leave y'all with this message. This hangs in my van, and I think it's pretty nice. You need to believe in yourself. Have a good day. Bye. Anything you want to say?
This is the first time I've been in her beautiful van, and it's just so pretty.
Wow.
I'm excited to watch all the stuff slide over while we drive.
Oh, there it is. I was about to say, you're being so nice right now.